In this problem, here's the formula, if you still don't have that written down. And then this is the formula when we're using NCX. Also, I sent you an email with this document attached to it. And if you didn't get it, you could pause the video or whatever. Just write down this left-hand side, just this stuff that tells us these words mean this mathematically, or these words or these mean this, or these mean that. Okay, so just write that stuff down in your notebook so you'll know what those words mean and how to write them down mathematically. In Chapter 8, we'll use the other side of this. So using that handout is how I know that when it says compute the probability of selling at least 2 properties, this is what it means mathematically. Now, on this problem, n is equal to 13. So again, these are representing our x values, 0 through 13. And when we're dealing with x being greater than or equal to 2, that means we're thinking about 2, which is equal to 2, and all the numbers in our trial that are greater than 2, which is a lot. So we don't really want to have to do x equals 2 and x equals 3 and x equals 4 all the way up to 13. So we're going to do a little bit different type of thing here where we're going to use what's called the complement rule. Okay, so what that means is, again, thinking about how each one of these x values has some kind of a probability. We don't know what that is right now. That's kind of what we're working on. But if we added all those probabilities together, they would equal to 1. Okay, so when we're trying to solve for x greater than or equal to 2, which is all of these values, that would be the same as 1 minus x less than 2. So just 0 and 1. And that's actually what we're going to do here, is we're going to use the formula, the same ones we've been using, and we're going to calculate for x equals 0 and get a number, and calculate for x equals 1 and get a number. And then we're going to use, it's exactly what I wrote right here. This is this equals 1 minus this right here is these two numbers added together, which is what I have right here. Okay, then what that finally means is 1 minus this number is this, and you're rounding that to 4 places. And that's your final answer for x greater than or equal to 2.